Hello. Modulation means adjusting, balancing, or changing the function of something in response to the altered environment. Immunomodulation is a regulatory modification in the function of immune system to bring about a desired response. Homeopathic medicines are not antibiotics or anti-inflammatory or immunosuppressants. Then how homeopathy regulates the immune system we are going to see. The function of immune system is to protect us from harmful substances, from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungus, foreign bodies like dust, allergens, etc. by recognizing and responding them as foreign antigens. Our immune system produces fighter cells called antibodies in response to the foreign antigens. And antibodies work like soldiers. They fight with antigens and protect us from infections. Means our immune system works like a security guard of our body. When the immune system deviates from its path, means a security guard does not function the way it is designed to function, we call it altered immune system or altered immune response. It signifies a deviation from its normal or intended way a mechanism operates, impacting its behavior or outcome. Related to altered immune system or altered immune response, three common conditions are seen in our clinical practice. We can call it immune system disorder. First is immunocompromised or immunodeficient condition. Second is hyperactive or hypersensitive immune system. And third is autoimmune condition. Now we are going to see how homeopathy regulates the immune system in all these conditions, one by one. First condition is immunocompromised or immunodeficient condition. In this case, due to weak immune system, patients suffer from recurrent infections like recurrent cough, cold, coryza, fever, recurrent tonsillitis, diarrhea, delayed wound healing, etc. In these cases, unlike antibiotics, homeopathy does not neutralize the infections. Means homeopathy does not kill bacteria and viruses. Instead, it strengthens the body's immune system. And when the immune system gets stronger, it can easily fight infections. Here we have to understand that viruses and bacteria are not the cause of the disease, but they are the end product of the disease. They come at the end stages of the disease process. First, our body gets weak, our immune system loses its strength, and we become susceptible to infections. Only then viruses and bacteria can attack our immune system. Means disease originates from within, not from outside. Homeopathy, a holistic approach to health care, focuses on stimulating the body's inherent ability to heal itself by strengthening the body's immune system. And hence, homeopathic medicines are called immunity booster. This is how homeopathy regulates the immune system in cases of immunocompromised or immunodeficient patient. Second condition is hypersensitivity or hyperactive immune system. Hypersensitivity reaction happens when the immune system mistakenly identifies harmless substances as harmful and becomes hyperactive. Hypersensitivity reaction is an extreme unnecessary immune response that the body has to the foreign antigens. In simple terms, we can understand it as out of proportion reaction to the foreign antigens due to altered perceptions. Means our immune system perceives harmless substances as a potential threat and becomes hyperactive. So in such cases, homeopathy changes the altered perception of immune system so that the immune system does not identify harmless substances as harmful and stop reacting out of proportion to the perceived threat. Means the homeopathy changes extreme, unnecessary and aggressive immune response to the mild, gentle and limited immune response. This is how homeopathy regulates the immune system in cases of asthma and allergies, in cases of hypersensitive immune system. Third condition is autoimmune condition. I feel a strong need to put a greater emphasis on this condition because nowadays autoimmune diseases are increasing in our practice and people are getting aware about the potential of homeopathy in such cases. What happens in autoimmune condition? The immune system mistakenly attacks and damages its own healthy tissue and organ. Instead of recognizing and attacking foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses, immune system misinterprets its own body cells as a potential threat, leading to inflammation and damage. This can cause wide range of symptoms and affects different parts of body, potentially impacting organ function. Diseases like psoriasis, vitiligo, ankylosing spondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis, Graves' disease, Hashimoto thyroiditis, etc. are few examples of autoimmune diseases. Most autoimmune diseases are not easily curable because they are obstinate and chronic in nature and intimately connected with our mind and different aspects of our life, like our stress in our life, our perception of life, our diet, what we eat daily in our diet, and genetic predisposition. Means diseases that pass down through families from one generation to another, next generation. All these aspects of life are intimately connected with autoimmune diseases and hence it needs multi-dimensional holistic approach. Homeopathy treats autoimmune diseases by considering all these aspects of life and hence patient gets long and very deep healing effect with homeopathic treatment. Homeopathy does not suppress the immune system. Instead, it helps the immune system to differentiate between our own body cells and foreign bodies like bacteria and viruses. And when immune system start interpreting correctly, it stops attacking and damaging its own body cells. This is how homeopathy modulates the immune function. For the successful management of autoimmune diseases, we need multifaceted approach focused on controlling the inflammation, then improving the symptoms, improving the lifestyle, means improving the quality of life by lifestyle modification, and stress management with counseling and meditation. Homeopathy seeks to restore the balance and harmony by supporting and modifying the function of immune system and by reducing the intensity and frequency of autoimmune flare-ups, and hence patient gets deep and long-lasting healing effects with homeopathy.